Hannah, we only have a couple more bites. Are you ready? Here it comes. Woo woo! You don't have to scream. It's supposed to be a happy. It's supposed to be a happy noise. Are you ready? Here it comes. It's gonna be gone, and I don't know what you're gonna do. Where'd you go? Ready? How good is this? That a girl. That's my girl. Is this your best meal of the day?
You can't give her a
Oh. How about if we do a little fruit? Are you ready just for some fruit? Mmm. What do we have, pears?
Yeah.
Mmm. Partridge in a pear tree. Ready? Oh, you're blowing it up. We're having a blowout here. That mean you're getting full finally? Here you go, Hannah.
Wait, that's not what I was
Mmm, good.